How to make dark mode Pinterest on desktop. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and log into your Pinterest account. Then open a new tab and search Pinterest Dark Theme, which will lead you to Chrome Web Store. In here, click on Add to Chrome. After you click on Add to Chrome in here, at the top, simply click on Add Extension. After you click on Add Extension, go to your Pinterest tab. And here, click on the puzzle-like icon at the top. You will find Dark Theme Pinterest. Simply click on it. After you click on it, you'll find all these lists. Click on Black. After you click on Black, simply reload the Pinterest page. Then, your Pinterest will be in dark mode. This is how to make dark mode Pinterest on desktop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.